Hello dear aspirants, let's understand social exclusion from sociology optional perspective. So social exclusion refers to certain sections of the society are not part of the inclusive growth process of the society. It means some vulnerable sections, weaker sections, marginal sections are not getting the benefits of mainstream society. It may be a class, it may be a particular community, it may be a particular region, it may be a particular minority group. So the concept of social exclusion is used in sociology optional to understand why economic inequalities are there, why gender inequalities are there, why political inequalities are there, why social inequalities are there. Despite India becoming impressive economic growth rate, which means India has emerged as recently fourth largest economy in the world. So despite the impressive economic growth, why poverty exists in India? Why unemployment exists in India? Why for the last 75 years, poverty eradication programs, unemployment eradication programs are not providing expected results? So the concept of social exclusion has been in the news in the recent times. So in every society we find the concept of social exclusion, but it appears in different form. So as some sociologists rightly point out that the opposite of poverty is wealth, the opposite of poverty is not wealth, opposite of poverty is justice. Poverty anywhere is a problem to prosperity everywhere. So join at Vishnu IAS Academy for Sociology optional batch. Let's understand the social exclusion holistically so that you will try to be part of social transformation where you will transform the Indian society from Atmanirbhar Bharat to Vikasit Bharat. So to eradicate social exclusion, as our Honorable Prime Minister says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas, Sabka Vishwas. So join our sociology optional course and be part of social transformation, and together let us achieve Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas, Sabka Vishwas. Thank you. Jai Hind.